going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Mehul. We do some pretty cool car stuff, and in today's video we're doing something very, very epic. We're actually going to be putting the lift kit on our 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S, and we're going to be, well, that's it. So I've been waiting for this moment for a while, and again, this is a pretty quick build that we're doing on this Jeep. We got a lot more stuff coming for it. And again, we got a Tereflex 3.5-inch lift kit with Fox shocks and the track bars, arms, everything for this Jeep with our Mammoth wheels and with our Mickey Thompson's 37 Baja Box tires. So again, a big shout out to all these sponsors for helping us out with today's build. And I mean, I can't wait to show you guys on how it looks. So we could be doing the lift kit ourselves, but because we've done it in the past and I've done other builds as well. But I want to create quality content for you guys this year moving forward. So better yet, we made some friends. Andy at Collin County Off-Road here in McKinney, Texas. He's helping us out, so we're going to be helping him out. So we're just building those relationships as well. So enough of that. Let's head over. We got the kit and everything inside the Jeep. We're going to head over there and let's get to it. See you guys.
This is Fiancé music.
Well, that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the subscribe button, like the videos, and we're on our way to 10,000 subscribers and hopefully more actually this year. Shooting for 15, but you know, realistically 10. If you guys are not following me and my fiance's YouTube channel, is gonna be linked down below. We got a new puppy as well, so we're creating some content for that as well. This weekend we're gonna be headed out to a couple of trails, so we got a really cool content video coming up for you guys, and we're gonna be hitting a couple of other events that are happening up within this couple of weeks. So I will be posting on my Instagram, so if you guys want to see what's up, follow me on Instagram. But that's basically it. I'll catch you guys next time. See you guys.